Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Viki application using your mobile device. To log into your Viki app, first of all, launch the Rakuten Viki app open on your Android or your iOS device, and then from the home page or the welcome page, tap on the login button. You will see different login options on the page. Make sure to choose your login method. You can choose email and password, Apple, Google, Rakuten, or Facebook option. Tap the corresponding options and follow the on-screen instruction. I'm gonna choose continue with email in today's video. Make sure to choose the same option that you chose while signing up for Rakuten Viki. Since I'm gonna log in with email, let me tap on continue with email. On the next page, type in your email address and the password associated with your account. If you don't remember your password, tap on the reset it button and follow through the password reset instruction. After adding your credentials correct, tap on continue and you will then be able to sign into your existing Viki account. Now you're logged in and ready to stream K-dramas, C-dramas and more on Viki. That is how you can easily sign into Viki app using the email option in just a couple of steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Wake&Tech for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.